Hey guys, how's it going? I just got this from Karving King, cut above the rest. So it's really cool about this whole system that they actually got set up is you have your Karving King cutting board, and it's also like a Karving King 2-in-1 system. If you look at this, you have a standalone carving board that you can actually put on the countertop and use by itself, but you also got a slot where all your drains and juices actually goes underneath. And if you look here, here's the drainage slot. And it's got these nice little rubber legs on the bottom of it. So when you're cutting, it actually doesn't move. Look at that. Look how much force. I literally have to grab it, pull it as hard as I can just to get it to move. I tap it, nothing. Check this out. Got a nice system. Grab it. Like, this is me actually pushing it back and forth. It's not moving at all. Take my knife, start cutting. Look at that. Super, I mean, look at it. It doesn't move. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the cutting boards I see on the market when I'm doing this kind of stuff, they have a tendency to roll when I'm cutting, and it's super annoying. Didn't even move.